That's what you said do.
Stop. Okay, ready? Hey guys! The camera's up there. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Okay, so today, as promised, my last video, I told you guys I would be doing a hair cutting video where hubby does my hair. So yes, he helps me cut my hair. He's only done it a few times. I usually try to do it myself, but he did start doing it and he does a great job, so we're gonna keep doing that. So I wanted to show you guys how I cut my own hair and how you can cut your own hair too. And I'm just surprised that I haven't done this already, considering I have a hair YouTube channel. So anyways, it hurts. Hello, sorry to interrupt your viewing experience. This is just what happens when you film with hubby and he has itchy balls. So let's count together how many times he scratches his balls during this video. Hurts. I'm too short. It hurts my legs on my tippy toes. So, I guess let's get started. Oh hey, did you say hi? Mm-hmm. This is hubby, Eric. Say hi. Hi. Okay. All right, so what I did to get started, I went ahead and flat ironed my hair. It's probably not a necessary step. You can cut it wet, which would help also create the straightening effect, because you want all of the hair to be in the right length. You don't want one to be curly and one straight, and you end up with an uneven haircut. So I went ahead and straightened all of mine. I do have some uneven pieces, and we're gonna chop all this junk off today. So we have our 100 scissors. We're gonna just do this real quick. Are you ready? No, I would never. Ooh, hair flip. Hashtag hair flip. I'm too short for the frame, but we had to adjust it for the tall men. So I'm gonna do layer by layer. This is really better if you have someone helping you, like I do. He's ready with the scissors. Take your hair tie. Stop! What the fuck are you doing? Go away! Ew, you don't have scissors. Okay,
You talk like that on YouTube?
Shh. Beep. It's bleeped out.
This is what I do for a living. This is what pays the bills.
You wish. Okay, so I clipped. So we're doing layer by layer by layer. The very first one, actually I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna do the first clip, or I'll tell him how to do it. So just right at the top of my ears. So go straight down to where you want it to be. The very first layer. I got a stool. I'm taller now. Okay, now come here. Look how tall I am. Cheese. 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 You're a party pooper, man. We're just gonna do it now. Okay, can you hear? Can you see it in the mirror, in the thing?
What do you want me to do?
Trim underneath the rubber band.
Like right underneath?
Just like right underneath the rubber band.
Like right at the bottom of it?
Yep, right underneath the rubber band.
Like right at the very bottom of it?
Not above it, right below it.
Yeah, right below.
Yes. Okay, perfect.
That's what you said do.
I couldn't see.
Not very straight.
Okay, also, if you see my last hair coloring video, I've literally washed my hair like 4 times and all the dye came out. So this is what we're left with. This is what it looks like when you do it with the rubber band. It's gonna create that thing. So now, then you can go back and create and cut the sides. I like the U shape for me, so he's gonna make it a little bit more on the sides like that.
Definitely.
Is that even?
Or cape. Hell yeah, it's even. That's what I get paid to do.
It does involve a lot of mirror work. Jeffree Star approved.
Not if your husband does it.
All right, so next we're gonna do the next layer. Pull one layer down at a time, and all he has to do is cut on the same line that we just created.
You want to make this as short as the other one?
Yep, and now you match it. So now you can easily see the line that you need to cut. And this is actually what real hairdressers do when
I
they're
am a real freaking hairdresser.
when they do trims. You create a guideline, and then you follow that guideline all the way up.
I've never had a customer talk or move as much as she does, but normally I'm out working a no talking salon.
Very nice, very nice. Very nice, very great. Good job, good job. Do it again.
Next. I cut all of our kids' hair too.
You do not. You can't take credit for that. That's like so pretty. Yay! See, okay, so the thing is, I am trying to grow out my hair, but it was highly damaged a few months ago, so I'm slowly trying to cut out all of that nastiness, and eventually I will have all healthy hair again. But in the meantime, as I continue to dye and bleach my hair, I can keep having nice hair. I'll keep cutting off the junk at the ends. All right, so as you get to the front, especially if you had layers previously or had them, regardless, put it all behind your shoulders and make sure that that whole entire thing is good in that way first. Is it good? Is it good?
You ought to pay me for this shit.
I do. And the
What is that? What is that?
well,
Still ain't got no dinner tonight.
keep his belly full and his balls empty. We're working on it. Okay, so after you get the behind your shoulders done, we'll do the middle part. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I'm gonna bring it forward. And make sure that if you have bangs or any kind of face framing or trimming that you want to have done is done. You can also make sure that these are even by looking at the front pieces like this. Make sure that they are even. Okay, these are perfect for me.
I did it.
So you can do that. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of angling just to cut off some of the dead stuff.
Y'all see, I didn't do this shit. It's her messing it up.
Okay. And yes, my bangs are still in the process of growing out. So we're getting there. So this is to my liking. Oh, it feels so much better. If you guys ever when you do your hair, it is so much better to cut all that weight off and the nastiness. It's light and it's so much better. So that is how I do my hair, or he does my hair. So I hope you guys, this is weird. Ugh. I hope you guys like the video and my new hair. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Any hair tips that you personally have or ways that you like to do your own hair, also leave them in the comments below. I'm always open to learning new things. We are a good community here. We can teach each other that way. And also, if you have not already, Add me on Snapchat. Let's do it here. You can already have seen this. I do hair previews. You get to see the hair videos that I do before I even do them. And also if you have any questions that you want to ask me, that's a good place to do it. But yeah, so if you like the video, oof, come on, boo.
Oh.
Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Right there, in the middle. Subscribe. Move your big head. Subscribe for more awesome videos. And I'll see you on my next one. Okay, bye.